For years, the EV conversation has centered on range, battery tech, and charging stations. But now, the real game changer is software. Intelligence that makes EVs smarter, not just more powerful. Artificial intelligence is quietly transforming electric vehicles, making them safer, more intuitive, and deeply connected. It's not just about bigger batteries anymore, it's about bigger brains. AI is optimizing everything from how a car sees the road to how it manages energy. And while big automakers get the spotlight, some of the most exciting breakthroughs are coming from unexpected startups. Today, we're diving into 5 AI companies that are redefining the EV industry from behind the scenes. These are the teams building the brains and nervous systems for the next generation of electric cars. Let's see how they're shaping the future. Let's get into it. First up is Ava, a company revolutionizing LiDAR. Traditional LiDAR gives cars a 3D map, but it's like looking at a series of photos, good for location, not for movement. Ava's 4-dimensional LiDAR adds velocity, measuring not just where objects are, but how fast and in what direction they're moving. It does this by detecting the Doppler effect in the reflected laser light. Imagine an EV approaching an intersection. Ava's system instantly knows if a pedestrian is stepping into the street and at what speed. This isn't a prediction, it's real-time, hard data. The car's AI can react immediately, making split-second decisions that could prevent accidents. It's proactive safety, not just reactive. The same goes for cars merging on the highway. Ava's tech gives the AI crucial milliseconds to respond. Plus, it's more robust, less affected by interference from sunlight or other LiDAR systems. This sixth sense lets EVs perceive the flow of traffic, not just static objects. The result? Faster, more confident decisions and a safer ride. By reducing the guesswork, Ava's system frees up processing power for other critical tasks. It's a leap from simple object detection to true motion awareness. Ava is building not just better eyes for cars, but a real-time understanding of the world's physics. This technology is laying the groundwork for a new level of autonomous capability, the goal reaction times as fast or faster than a human's. It's a perfect example of AI and hardware working together to make driving safer and smarter. With Ava, EVs don't just see the world, they understand its movement. That's a revolution in road safety. And it's happening now, behind the scenes. The future of driving is about intelligence, not just horsepower. Ava is leading the way. Their tech is already being tested by major automakers. Soon, this sixth sense could be standard in every EV. Imagine a world where cars anticipate danger before it happens. That's the promise of Ava's AI-powered LiDAR. It's not science fiction. It's the next step for electric vehicles, and it's just the beginning. Seeing is one thing, but what about charging? For fleets, managing dozens or hundreds of EVs is a logistical nightmare. Enter AMP Control. They're not building chargers, they're building the AI that manages charging for entire fleets. Think of it as an air traffic controller for electricity. AMP Control's platform considers when each vehicle needs to be ready, battery levels, electricity prices, and depot capacity. Without smart management, plugging in all vehicles at once spikes demand, driving up costs and straining the grid. AMP Control's AI creates dynamic charging schedules, charging vehicles when it's cheapest and most efficient. It automatically prioritizes vehicles based on operational needs and adjusts in real time if plans change. The result? Huge cost savings, millions per year for large fleets, and a more stable power grid. This isn't just about saving money, it's about making mass EV adoption possible. AMP Control's analytics also give fleet managers deep insights into energy use and battery health. It turns charging from a headache into a streamlined, data-driven operation. As more EVs hit the road, this kind of intelligence is essential for grid stability. AMP Control is the invisible infrastructure making electric fleets practical. While others focus on the car, AMP Control focuses on the ecosystem. They're proving that the EV revolution is about integration, not just innovation. Smart charging is the backbone of a sustainable electric future. With AI, every vehicle becomes a flexible asset for the grid. AMP Control is quietly solving one of the biggest challenges in electrification. The future of EVs depends on brains behind the scenes, and AMP Control is leading the charge. That's how you scale electric mobility. We've given EVs eyes and a brain. Now what about a sense of touch? Tactile mobility is making cars feel the road beneath them, using AI and the car's existing sensors. No new hardware needed. Just smart software interpreting data from wheel speed, accelerometers, and steering. The AI detects subtle vibrations and patterns, recognizing everything from smooth asphalt to black ice. This lets the car know grip levels in real time before traction is lost. Imagine hitting a patch of ice around a corner. The AI senses it instantly and adjusts power and braking before you even notice. It's proactive safety, preventing skids before they start. For EVs, this means more efficient regenerative braking and better range. The system can crowdsource road condition data, building real-time maps of hazards and sharing them with other vehicles. Municipalities can use this data to target repairs, making roads safer for everyone. For drivers, it means a smoother, more comfortable ride as the car's suspension adapts to the road ahead. Tactile mobility is turning every EV into a rolling road sensor. It's a new layer of intelligence. Vision is important, but touch gives a different kind of truth. By understanding friction in real time, the AI makes smarter, safer decisions every millisecond. It's like giving the car a gut feeling, powered by data. This tech is already being adopted by automakers worldwide. The result: safer, more efficient, and more responsive EVs. Tactile mobility is redefining what it means for a car to feel the road. It's a subtle innovation with massive impact, and it's making every journey safer. Cameras are critical for EVs, but most work like old-school video cameras, capturing redundant frames and missing fast changes. Prophecy is changing that with event-based vision, inspired by the human eye. Instead of recording full frames, each pixel only activates when it detects a change in light. If nothing moves, there's almost no data, saving massive processing power. When something does move, the sensor reacts instantly, capturing motion in microseconds. This means no motion blur and lightning-fast detection of hazards, even in tough lighting. Imagine spotting a small object on the highway. Prophecy's sensor sees its exact shape and trajectory, not just a blur. It also handles extreme lighting, like driving from a tunnel into sunlight, without missing a beat. Each pixel adjusts exposure independently, giving the system a huge dynamic range. The AI processes streams of events, not static frames, making it exceptional at tracking, vibration monitoring, and flicker detection. The result: superhuman vision for EVs, filtering out noise and focusing only on what matters. This tech is perfect for driver monitoring, detecting microsleeps, and enhancing data from other sensors. Prophecy's approach mimics how biological systems see: fast, efficient, and focused on change. By rethinking the camera, they're enabling AI that reacts at the speed of light, not the speed of a video frame. It's a paradigm shift in machine vision, making EVs smarter and safer. Prophecy's sensors are already being tested in real-world vehicles. Soon this could be the standard for automotive vision. The future of driving is about seeing what matters when it matters. Prophecy is making that possible. It's not just a better camera, it's a new way of seeing. With event-based vision, EVs can react to the world in real time. That's a game changer for safety and autonomy. The next generation of EVs will see like never before, and it's all thanks to AI that thinks like a human eye. The road ahead just got a lot clearer. We've covered how EVs see, feel, and charge. Now let's talk about the motor. For years, electric motors were simple: get power, spin wheels. Turntide Technologies is changing that with their smart motor system. At its core is a switched reluctance motor, controlled by AI-powered software. This controller makes thousands of adjustments per second, optimizing efficiency at any speed or load. Traditional motors waste energy at low speeds. Turntide's system doesn't. The result: 20 to 30% energy savings for systems like HVAC and battery cooling. That means less drain on the main battery and more range for every charge. Efficient cooling also extends battery life, while smarter HVAC means more comfort with less energy. Turntide's motors use common materials, avoiding rare earth magnets that are costly and environmentally damaging. Their design is simpler, more robust, and more sustainable. The AI controller can even predict maintenance needs, catching issues before they become problems. It's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about making the thing that spins the wheel smarter. Turntide is eliminating hidden energy waste throughout the vehicle. Every bit of efficiency adds up to more miles and a longer-lasting EV. Their tech is already being adopted by major manufacturers. The future of EVs isn't just bigger batteries, it's smarter, adaptable systems. Turntide is proving that deep tech at the core of the machine makes a big impact. Smarter motors mean better range, reliability, and sustainability. The heart of the EV just got a brain, and that's a win for everyone on the road. There you have it. 5 companies redefining what it means to be an electric vehicle. The future of EVs is about intelligence, not just hardware. These startups are building the senses, brains, and nervous systems of tomorrow's cars. From motion-sensing LiDAR to smart charging and superhuman vision, they're making EVs safer, smarter, and more human. This is what turns a good EV into a great one. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe, and tell us which startup impressed you most. Until next time, stay curious and stay charged. The intelligent revolution is just getting started.